What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura MDX key fob. If yours looks like this, maybe it has a different number of buttons or a different color, it's the same thing. Just check the YouTube thumbnail. There's a couple different versions of this, but the process is all the same. So if yours is black or there's an older one that looks a little bit differently, it's all the same process. Just go ahead and follow along. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, one of these CR2025 batteries, which you can get in the description below from Amazon. It's just a couple bucks, come right to your door, and then you can follow along. And this was used between 2001 and 2006 on MDXs. First step, on the bottom here where the key ring is, go ahead and locate that little groove. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into the groove. We're going to twist just to open this up. Let me show you. Firmly but gently, just give a twist until you hear a little crack. And now we have some separation on the side. Just going to go down there, twisting, coming down, twisting, and the whole thing will come loose, and now we have access to the battery. Take the same tool and just get under the battery on the side. Show you again. It's really easy. You can just come under it, get under the battery and kind of pull up like that, and it'll come right out. Take a new CR2025, make sure the positive side with the battery information goes down, like so. And once you put it in place, push it with your thumb and it'll click right in. And click this back together. Check that your light comes on, and if it does, you're all done. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for a full guide on changing your battery in this key fob or any Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.